Yeah, there are different laws. I mean, Texas, obviously, you've got the disclosure laws that make things really interesting when you're transacting. You don't know if you're going to be reappraised with your property taxes at 100%, 50%, 70%. We had a 383% property tax assessment increase within 60 days after closing last year, which creeped us out.
Oh, yeah.
Whereas in Colorado, you know exactly what you're getting.
Yeah. And in just that example, we have similar situations where property taxes have gone up significantly. We always engage a third party expert to go fight that for us. We've been in, you sometimes actually have to get in a lawsuit with the city, frankly, over that as well. So, but to your point, same with apartments, when people are like, oh, I take 80% of the purchase price, I times it by the mill rate, I do this. You can't do that. I mean, we have properties in some locations that they only reassess every 4 years. So if you buy it on right today, maybe you're not going to get it reassessed for 4 more years.